Guys. So I welcome you to the lecture series on DBMS, and this is the revision series on relational algebra. In the last lecture, I have asked you one question, means numerical problem, of course, and that is to find the SIDs of supplier who supply some rate part or are at 221 Pecker Ave, or you can take any address like say Bora Zorhat. So I have seen that maximum of you have tried to solve this problem and of course got the correct answer. Maximum of you got the right answer also. So I'm very much happy with your efforts. Now I'm going to show you the solution part in this lecture. So let's start. Our original schema was this one, that is supplier with SID, S name and address, parts, PID and P name and color, and the catalog containing the SID, PID information as well as cost. Well, just this is just to help you to deal with the problem in a better way. So the questions means what? We need to find SIDs of those supplier who are supplying either some rate part or at particular address, that is 221 Pecker F. So you know that in the SID we have the address part also. So there is no problem at all. So let's come to the solution. So first part is that I will try to find the SIDs of the suppliers who supply some rate part, and that is being done using two steps. So you can take a screenshot of this, no doubt. So R1 is what? Say, first retrieve the red colored parts using this select operator. So select operator color red from the parts. And from that, what I need? I need the parts IDs, that is PID. So let's perform the project operation on that using PID. And let's store it or save the values in R1 relations. Then what I will try to find out those SIDs or those suppliers who are trying to provide these red color parts. For that, I do what? Simple natural join this of this R1 with catalog. So R1 natural join with catalog. Okay, from that, I want only the SIDs. So let's perform the project operations that is using pi SID on R1 natural join catalog. And let's store these values in R2. So the first task is complete. That is what we have got SIDs of the suppliers who supply some rate parts. Now coming to the next part, that is our part is that we need the suppliers who are at the 221 Pecker Ave, isn't it? So that one is very simple. First, we need to retrieve those values was of the suppliers who are at the address 221 Pecker F. So that can be performed using this select operator. So select address 221 Pecker F from suppliers. And from them, we need the SIDs. So let's perform project operation using pi SID on this. So we got RT here, and RT contains those SIDs of suppliers who are at 221 Pecker F. Now we need both of them. Okay, SIDs of suppliers who supply some red part, or do mine it, or SIDs of suppliers who are at 221 Pekarev. So what operation we have to perform? Obviously union. So therefore, SIDs of suppliers who supply some red part or at 221 Pekarev is R2, this R2 union RT, that is R2 union RT is going to give us the solution for the question. Find the SIDs of suppliers who supply some red part or are at 221 Pekarev. I hope you have got every part of this answer. The first part, we have found out the suppliers who supply some red part and it's being stored in relation R2. Second part, we have found out the SIDs of suppliers who are at 221 Pekarev, that is being stored in RT. And then the final result is the union of both of them, that is R2 union RT. Clear? So I hope this is very much clear to you. And now coming to today's question, and today's question is that find the SIDs of the suppliers who supply some red part and some green part. I'm repeating again, find the SIDs of suppliers who supply some red part and some green part. Well, that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.